You wake up, you shower, you scrub, and yet, that lingering, musty scent still clings to the skin. It is a common frustration for anyone crossing over the 40-year mark, and it turns out, the culprit isn't your hygiene, it is your chemistry. There's a viral buzz right now around a specialty soap called Swarva, and it is making some pretty bold claims about a Japanese secret. They are talking about a specific oily compound that starts to build up as we age. Standard soaps and body washes are designed to tackle sweat and dirt, but they basically slide right off this particular fatty acid. This is where things get interesting and a little bit scientific. The marketing focuses on something called persimmon extract, specifically the tannins found in the fruit. These tannins are supposed to chemically neutralize that stubborn odor at the source, rather than just layering a bunch of heavy perfumes on top of it. Is a smart pitch, a real problem, and a very specific solution. But we have all been burned by viral products before. So, is this just another clever marketing trap? Or is there some weight behind it? I spent some time digging into the actual business behind the brand. For starters, they have a profile on a major trust rating site with a decent score, about 4.5 stars. Now, it is a small sample size, only about 22 reviews. The feedback is consistently positive. More importantly, the technical health of their website is surprisingly strong. I checked their main domain through several security tools, and it came back with an excellent safety rating. We are talking 92 out of 100, which is very high for a niche brand. The site has been active for over a year, and they use secure, buyer-protected payment systems. These are the kinds of green flags you usually don't see with those fly-by-night operations that vanish after 2 weeks. However, it is not all sunshine and rainbows. The owner of the site is hidden behind a privacy service, which is fairly standard practice these days, but it does make you want to keep one eye open. The traffic is also relatively low, suggesting this is a smaller, direct-to-consumer brand rather than a massive corporate powerhouse. They offer a 60-day guarantee, which is a huge relief for anyone on the fence. But take those marketing stats with a grain of salt. They claim less than 1% of people ask for a refund. But your own body chemistry is unique. What works for a stranger might not work for you, and that is just the reality of skincare. My final take on this is pretty straightforward. Swarva seems like a legitimate business selling a very real, very specialized product. It is likely not a miracle cure. But if you are tired of regular soaps failing you, this science-backed approach feels like a credible path to explore. The risk is low, the security is high, and the science of those tannins is actually quite fascinating. If you have been struggling with persistent odors that just won't budge, this might just be the missing piece of your morning routine. And with that return policy, you really don't have much to lose but the smell itself. So it might be time to stop worrying about the calendar and start focusing on the chemistry instead, because sometimes the best solutions come from the most unexpected traditions.